Guys, welcome back to my blog channel, and today we have Dahua NVR, which is N4208, and it is 8 channel NVR, and I'm using like 6 cameras on it. And as you can see, there is a lot of noise coming out of the fans, and that's the main reason I was trying to reduce the noise, and I wanted to show like how much is the noise level at the moment, and we'll see how we can reduce the noise. So as you can see, it is approximately 40 to 44 dB noise level, which is I'll show you like what I did and what you can do as well once I open the box, and I'll explain as I move along. So let's open up the box. So here guys, I've switched off the NVR box and I'm just trying to open it now. One fan on the side, and there is one fan inside the power supply unit, which is this one. So what we are going to do is open up or like remove these fans and see like our options. This is the side fan, and I've actually cleaned it previously to try to reduce the sound. So what I did previously, there is a sticker here, as you can see, and if you remove this sticker, and what you can do is pour some oil, machine oil or any other oil you can pour here, and try to like spin up the fan for a moment and then put it back, and it has actually reduced the noise level by 30 to 40%, but I'm still not happy. Like, it is too much noisy if I'm trying to do my office work. Actually, I wanted to open up the power supply unit as well, so let's just open it. As you can see, this is the power supply unit. Okay, so just focus on the fan, don't touch anything else. Fan which was installed in the power supply unit. I've got brand new fans which we are going to replace with. So as you can see, these are the fans from Noctua. These are premium quality NFA series fans. This one is a bit smaller, so this is for the side cooling. This one is for power supply unit. So let's just open it and see how you can fit it inside the NVR. And this is 4x20 FLX. So we are going to replace it with the old fan. As I opened the box, I have noticed that the plug is different for both fans. So what we can do actually, so Noctua has done a really good job. They provide Omni join adapter set, which has got this adapter, and these are the small Omni join plugs which you can see here. They provide 4 in one pack, and what you can do is cut this cable from the old fan from here and join it. These cable colors, black, then red, and then yellow. So how we are going to plug this is black and red on this side, black and red on this side, and plug it in. And then what we need to do, this is the old cable, I've loosened it up. So plug the black side in, and this is the new cable. Plug the black side in, and then just careful. And use some plier or pliers, whatever you have, and just press it like that. That's it. Let's just do it for the red cable. How cool is it? Thanks to Noctua. This is the smaller one, 40 by 10 mm fan, that is the side one. And the best thing about Noctua, like I think I'm loving this brand now, because additionally they provide these joint cables, and this one is the 3 to 2 pin adapter which I've got. See, from 3 pins you can convert it in 2 pins. So that's the awesome job which they have done. So how it works, simply connect it like this. So just make sure this black and red cables are on the same side. Like you can see black and red cables here. And you don't have to muckle around with the old fan cable and do the plugging and all sort of things. So this is pretty cool. So this one is ready. The other fan is also ready to be plugged. So let's plug it in the NVR box. I have put on some electrical tape just to cover the small or the thin cables, and because these are going inside the power supply unit, so that can go like really hard. So just to avoid any damage or any burning for the cables, you can use any sort of tape, whichever is there at your home. So let's just place the fan inside. You can see the marking here for the Noctua. I'm actually getting a fan of these fans. So I'm loving it. So just place it firmly. So what I'm going to do is placing the panel cover back and closing it off. place it on the NVR. The last step which is left inside, which is to plug this fan. Actually a different style of plug, so it will go like this. Don't worry, it won't harm anything, not break anything. It should work fine now. Okay, now put the cover back. As you can see, I have finished installing the new fans, and the box is running, NVR box, and you can see how much is the sound level right now. So I'll be quiet for a moment and just to show you how much silent is the NVR box now. So as you can see, it's approximately 28 or 29 dB sound level now. So pretty good. I'm really happy. But you can imagine, like previously, before doing anything, the oiling of the old fans, like it must have been about 50 or 60 level. So that was really annoying. And now it is below 30, so I'm really happy with the efforts and with the installing of the new fans. So I hope you like the video, so give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and take care, guys.